Founder of the Addictions Academy, Dr. Cali Estes announces recovery coaching and addictions counselor continuing education units now available in Canada exclusively through their training. Dr. Cali Estes of the Addictions Academy announced their training will be fulfilling continuing education units for the Canadian Addiction Counselors Certification Federation as the only program for recovery coaches and counselors in all of Canada. President of Recovery Coaches International and founder of the Addictions Academy, Dr. Cali Estes has revealed that their programs and training now qualify to meet continuing education units, CEUs, for certified addictions recovery coaching as set forth by the Canadian Addiction Counselors Certification Federation. This training and CEU offering through the Addictions Academy will currently be the only such program available in Canada. The Canadian Addiction Counselors Certification Federation, CACF, promotes, certifies and monitors the competency of addiction-specific counselors in Canada using current and effective practices, which are internationally recognized. The certification's CACF issues and its professional conduct review process provide public protection for counselors, employers, regulatory agencies, clients and their families. We are pretty excited to be able to offer this important CEU opportunity to Canadians, Dr. Estes remarked. Addiction definitely knows no borders, and recovery coaching is a model that can have a positive impact on those negatively affected by substance use disorder. Estes continued, keeping coaches and counselors well trained and up to date on the latest strategies is a high priority for us. The CACF sets the bar high and we will continue to strive to meet their standards. With addiction issues and drug overdoses dominating the headlines daily, demand for treatment options and professionally trained recovery coaches are at an all-time high. Our goals are to provide the tools, encouragement, and structure to help clients find recovery success, said Mr. Andre Fiel, president of the New Hope Addiction Recovery Centre, who will be implementing the Addictions Academy CEU courses in Canada. The addiction epidemic is real and the New Hope Addiction Recovery Centre's holistic techniques and focus on recovery coaching are recognized as innovative and effective. The strategies have been applauded throughout the behavioral health industry and beyond. 2017 was the worst year ever for drug overdose deaths in America, reported Vox magazine recently. Nearly 200 people a day died of drug overdoses in the United States alone in 2017. And the Canadian Broadcasting Corporation, CBC, recently quoted the Canadian Mental Health Association, who said, "Addressing addiction is a community issue." CMHA CEO Marion Quigley declared, "We need to have plans, bigger plans, whether that's a supervised injection site or it's other housing services so people can use in the privacy of their own homes, or it could be addiction programs to help people stop." Bringing the Addiction Academy's courses to Canadians, either through online training or programs at their New Brunswick campus, Mr. Fiel and Dr. Estes are making a concerted effort to help those afflicted with addiction and their families. We are striving to be one of the programs that can help those suffering from substance use disorder and other mental health issues find the path they need to do just that. Heal and stop, said Mr. Fiel. Structured, professional help from trained and certified coaches can often be the difference between life and death for someone new to recovery. A recovery coach is a person that works with and supports individuals immersed in an addiction, and coaches people in recovery from the abuse of alcohol and drugs, gambling, eating disorders or other addictive behaviors. When asked why coaching could be a game changer for someone in recovery, Dr. Estes asserted, "Private recovery coaching for an addiction is extremely different from your typical drug rehab or therapy sessions. Coaching focuses on forward, positive motion and does not dwell on past issues and traumas, whereas therapy and counseling go back into your past to confront past issues that have not been handled." The Addictions Academy has been offering a wide-ranging assortment of advanced training for years in an ongoing effort to counteract the growing addiction problem. The Academy has more than 30 faculty teaching over 40 courses in 5 different languages. Program graduates can be found in 23 countries helping address the addiction problem worldwide. Recovery coaching professionals, good ones, are able to delve into the current and existing issues that are holding someone back in life and help them move forward, addiction-free. This is about creating the perfect and customized blend of guidance, information, accountability, and oversight. Estes concluded. Find out more and learn more about Dr. Cali Estes, the addictions coach. Visit more information about the Addiction Academy in Canada and the New Hope Addiction Recovery Centre. Go to